Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at IC markets. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Since 2007, IC Markets has evolved into a popular electronic communication network broker that offers more than 1,700 tradable instruments with 3 flexible account types, covering a comprehensive range of markets. IC Markets accounts can be funded using more than 10 secure payment methods and up to 9 base currencies. IC Markets offers multi-account managers, money managers, tight spreads, virtual private server services, and a variety of MetaTrder trading tools. Beginners can also use a demo account with a great library of educational content to get them started, and IC Markets also offers updated news feeds, podcasts, and webinars for all clients. IC Markets is regulated by the FSA, the CYSEC, and the ASIC, with their headquarters located in Australia. Over 200,000 clients choose IC Markets as their preferred financial broker. IC Markets provides traders with access to a variety of trading instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. As an IC Markets client, you will be able to choose from 3 unique account types with competitive trading conditions. All accounts can be converted to swap-free accounts, and demo accounts are also provided for each type of account. The first account offered by IC Markets is the Raw Spread account, which is suitable for scalpers and expert advisor traders. This account is used with the MetaTrder 4 platform and is popular for its tight spreads, micro lot support, index CFD trading, and more. The second account is compatible with the CTrader platform, and it is also a raw spread account. With this account, tight spreads are also offered, and it is most commonly used by day traders and scalpers. Both raw spread accounts have commission fees ranging from $3 to $3.50 and offer tight spreads starting at 0.0 pips, but they use different programming languages and are designed based on different trading styles and platform preferences. The last trading account type offered is the standard account, which is also a MetaTrder 4 account, but offers higher spreads starting at 1 pip. This account is recommended to discretionary traders and also supports micro lot trading, as well as index CFD trading, and no commission is charged on the trades. Platforms on offer include MetaTrder 4, MetaTrder 5, and the CTrader platform. Each of the platforms delivers powerful trading features, and auto trading is compatible with each of them. The platforms have an array of functions and features, which are suited for every trader's needs. The platforms offered by IC Markets can be accessed either through a web browser or be downloaded onto mobile devices and desktop computers, which contributes to the ease of access and the ability to access the platforms from anywhere in the world. These trading platforms provide traders with useful tools such as depth of market, spread monitoring that is built in and incorporated, ladder trading, and more. IC Markets also makes use of Zulu Trade, which is a social trading platform that allows traders to choose from a long list of talented traders in order to follow their trading signals at no cost. This broker has a substantial offering when it comes to trading platforms, and this is one of the many areas where IC Markets stands out amongst its competitors. And these trading platforms ensure that traders of various skill levels are catered for. When it comes to opening an account with IC Markets, it is simple and easy. On their homepage, if you would like to open a live account, click on Start Trading. Or if you are a beginner and would like to practice, you can click on Try a free demo. Then you will need to fill out your basic contact information, such as your email address and phone number, and complete the form pertaining to personal information. After you have filled out your basic information, you will be redirected to the IC Markets personal area, where you can choose between the different accounts and set your base currency. Traders who are opening live accounts will need to submit the verification of identity and residency through the uploading of either a passport, identification document, bank transfer, or utility bill. Be sure that when submitting your bank statement or utility bill, that these documents are not older than 3 months. As soon as the account has been verified, the client is required to make the minimum deposit of $200, after which trading can commence on the account. After you are verified and have registered, it is time to choose your trading platform, either MetaTrder 4, MetaTrder 5, or CTrader. We decided to go with the MetaTrder 4 platform. You can either use the web platforms or download your preferred platform onto your desktop. Once you have chosen your preferred platform, you will need to log in with your credentials provided via email from IC Markets. Submit your login information. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrder 4 dashboard on IC Markets. In the center you have your graph. On the left of the dashboard, your market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools that you can choose from. If you would like to learn more about the MetaTrder platform functionality, you can head over to the IC Markets educational section, which provides beginner's guides to help you get started. With regards to the educational resources provided by IC Markets, to accommodate new traders, IC Markets offers a demo account that can be used along with trading guides. A demo account mimics the same options, functions, and other features as a live account for you to practice on and get a feel for the trading platforms. IC Markets also provides video tutorials, webinars, podcasts, weekly forecasts, web TV live streaming with actionable trading ideas and market commentary, as well as a 10-lesson beginner course on getting started with IC Markets. A Forex glossary and market analysis blog is also provided, and clients have access to Forex calculators, economic calendars, and TeamViewer. The broker also offers traders research tools pertaining to trading ideas, which are based on technical indicators, charting tools, and a news feed that allows traders to keep up to date with the latest trading news. IC Markets obtained the award for the 2022 lowest spread account on their raw spread account. Apart from this award, there seems to be no records of prior awards obtained by IC Markets. However, this broker has an exception rating of 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. Overall, not only does IC Markets offer more than 1,700 trading instruments across 7 asset classes, with a guaranteed average transaction execution speed of 40 milliseconds and tight spreads, but it is also a great option if you are considering trading for the first time. IC Markets' offering is tailored to any kind of trader, from beginner through to advanced traders who trade in high volumes. IC Markets has technical optimization that is significantly strong when considering the terms of execution, along with platform optimization, a range of tools, and provided customer support, which is covered in full. This broker has one of the highest Trustpilot ratings in the industry, and we definitely recommend opening an account with IC Markets if you are interested in scalping, day trading, discretionary trading, or trading with expert advisors. And that is our overview of IC Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.